Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to replace the rear brake pads on Hyundai and the Kia models have the electronic parking brake with the diagnostic tool. I'm using the snap-on tool. To start with, select the make and models, then go to the function test and then select the special functions. Next screen, select the pad changing mode before changing, then follow the instructions. When it says command completed, it's time to replace the pads. Remove the worn pads. Remove the shims for the cleaning. Clean the carrier properly, then refit the shims back on the carrier. And fit the new brake pads on. Make sure to put the proper grease to stop squeaking. Put the caliper back on using the 2 bolts. When we use the diagnostic tool, we don't have to remove the motor back of the caliper. That's the easier and quicker way. You can replace the pads, rewind the caliper piston without the tool. But this is the easy way with the tool. Fit the wheel back on. Same procedure for the other wheel. Now time to wind the caliper piston forward. Follow the instruction on the tool screen. It's very easy. Disconnect the tool and switch on and off the parking brake a few times for the checking. Now it's all done. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.